Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to 3 River Survival. So I got in my new Kemi Moto gloves. I'm in the beautiful Adirondack Mountains, as you can see right here. I am hunting right now, so I was able to get these in before I went hunting. Ideally, these are not hunting gloves, they're riding gloves. But Kemi Moto does make an excellent pair of electronic gloves that keep your hands very warm, and yes, they do come in camouflage. These also come in camouflage as well. Unfortunately, for the filming, they don't have them. They didn't have them in my size. I will say that the size is true to form, so I wear an extra large and these things fit excellent. I did actually start off with a pair of black ones, but ideally black doesn't really blend well in the mountains, so don't worry, those will be gifted. So what I wanted to do was kind of test these out. Now, if you look on the palm, it does has this really nice leather pad, which is really excellent. It also has this hard polymer-esque knuckles. So again, if you're riding something, you don't actually destroy your fingers or your knuckles. And it does have inserts along the sides, on both sides. On the inside, you have 3 pads that you can use for your mobile device, which I already did. And it also has a strap that goes, all the way around. Microfiber on the inside. Believe it or not, these are actually pretty warm. I did wear them out here to go and check the trail cams. I did do a little wood chopping with it just to make sure that they are flexible enough, and yes, they are used. You can see that I used them. If you look on the box, it actually gives you directions on what you could use them for. I thought that was neat. So it was UTV, ATV, motorcycle, and boating. Nothing about mountains use. Okay. It also, if you buy these, they do come with a little carabiner, which is neat because they typically don't come with carabiners when you buy these. And that was the big thing with these gloves. I wanted to ensure that I could use them in the outdoor environment. Obviously, I'm hunting, but I wanted to make sure that they were warm enough, flexible enough. A lot of times you get these gloves that are super leather padded, which are great, but they're not flexible enough, and you need to be able to use your fingers as well as protect them. Microfiber on the inside, let me just show you on the inside what it looks like. All right, so you get like a nice little microfiber here, so it's nice and warm and cozy in there. Again, the size extra large. On the inside, you do have a little bit of neoprene in there. All right, so a little bit of nice neoprene, and they are comfortable. The thumb, which is also nice, as you can see, has this nice neoprene on it, so that's flexible. Fantastic. These things, guys, these things go for about $20 for the black, and I think $24 for the colored options. Again, the camouflage option wasn't available, but I mean, you're not going to do any better than that, especially around Christmas time, right? So what I would do is you can check the links down below if you're interested in these gloves. Check the links down below. I will have a link to their website, and I will also have a link to my Amazon store. If you want to get these, get them now. They're fast shipped. They come overnight. It's fantastic. And if you're looking for something either to ride with or to use in the outdoor environment, these are excellent gloves. All right, guys, thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. It really helps the algorithms, helps me out. And as always, be safe.